Alright, we have the Endurance Peaks. Here, those two, and we want to show how to reset them. First of all, we go into our Bluetooth settings here on our phone, and you can see I do have what in here? Endurance Peak down here. It says not connected. You go to Info, forget this device, and forgotten. So now it's removed here from my list, and it can scan for new stuff. So that's what happens on the phone. And now we're taking a look at our Endurance things here on those. Let's put this to the side so that we can see better. We have here the charger box, what is completely charged, and we insert them here. And you see the light comes on. When I put this one in, that light comes on too, both. And you touch once and twice and wait. This is supposed to last 10 seconds, this second touch. There it's blinking like this. So that means it's completely resetted. And so next time you use them, they will be as if they are brand new out of the box. Now, if I have a phone here and it's scanning for devices, all you need to do is to take this one out, the right one out. I can take both out though. Turn it on by moving this over here like this. Now, oops, sorry, now it turns on like this. So there is a little contact in here. So now it's blinking. See that? And that means it should show up here. There it is. See that? Endurance Peak. Then you would click on it and it would pair. Now it's probably in here somewhere. Here is the list of devices and it says it's connected. And this one and that one, they always connect together. Those two after a reset. And if you have this piece connect here, when it touches there, then it turns them off. In order to charge, you just plug them back into their little cradle. Right? And they're going to be charged there when you need them. And that was how to reset those Endurance Peak headphones.